Hi children, how are you all? I'm so happy to meet you all again through this session. Yes, are you all happy? Let's start the session. Articles. Already we have seen about articles. This is a recap. Okay. After this, we can start the companion activity. An article is a word that comes before a singular noun. Singular noun means singular naming word. Okay, singular noun means what? Singular naming word. Articles. What are all the articles we have seen? A, and, the. These are the three articles. For your lesson, we have an and a. Two articles we have. If a noun starts with the vowel sound, what are all the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Totally 5 vowels are there. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels. What are the sounds of these vowels? Sound of A is A. Sound of E is E. Sound of I, I. Sound of O, O. Sound of U, These are the sound of vowels. These are the sounds of vowels. Okay, totally 5 vowels. When a noun starts with the vowel sound, we use the article an. Okay. When a noun, if a noun starts with the consonant sound, if a noun starts with the consonant sound, we use the article a. We use the article a. Okay, what are all the consonants? B, C, D, F, G, like this. All the 21 letters. Totally 21 letters. Other than vowels, all the alphabet are the consonants. Okay. For example, a kangaroo. Kangaroo. In this, K is a consonant. What is the sound of K? K. K. So, a kangaroo. What is the sound of the letter O? O. O. O is a sound of vowel. So, ox. Okay, ox is a word which starts with the vowel sound. It is also a singular naming word. So, we'll write the article and. Okay, let's start the companion activity. Using the articles, whatever we learnt in the previous slide, we are going to apply in this activity. Okay, underline the first letter of each naming word. I have underlined already. You to do. Okay, but you should do by reading each word, not at the same time. Okay, you have to read each word and underline. Okay, underline the first letter of each naming word. Write the correct article that goes before each. So we have to read the word first, underline the first letter of each naming word, then write the article. Okay, in this, the word is ice cream. Ice cream is a word which is an exception. Okay, why means even though there is a letter I, we are pronouncing as ice cream. The sound of I as well as the name of I comes here. It is an exception. Okay, ice cream. So we will write the article and. Next one, pine cone. P. P is a consonant. So a pine cone. Orange. O. O is a vowel. So an orange. Emu. I is a vowel sound. So an emu. Book. B is a consonant. So a book. Octopus. O. O is a vowel sound. So an octopus. Cupcake. K is a consonant. So a cupcake. Camel. K is a consonant. So a camel. Ostrich. O is a vowel sound. So an ostrich. Mango. Is a consonant. So a mango. I hope you understood both the page. Okay, both the pages you understood. So let's go to the next activity. Identify the naming words using the picture clues. Use a or an to complete each sentence. There is dash in the sky. What is this? aeroplane. So aeroplane is a naming word. In this, the starting letter is a vowel sound. A, aeroplane. A is a vowel sound. So an aeroplane. There is an aeroplane in the sky. I ate dash for lunch. What is this? Sandwich. Sandwich. The starting letter is S. What is the sound of S? S. So I ate sandwich for lunch. How many sandwiches here? Only one. It is a singular naming word which starts with the consonant sound. So a sandwich. I ate a sandwich for lunch. Dash fell out of Sanya's bag. What is this? This is an onion. So here onion is a naming word which is a singular naming word which starts with the letter O. What is the sound of O? O. 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 It is a vowel sound. So we will add as an onion. Here you should write in a capital letter. So it is the starting letter of the sentence, first word of the sentence, first letter should be in capital letter. Okay, an onion fell out of Sanya's bag. We played in dash near my house. What is this? What picture is this? Park. So park is a naming word. It is a singular naming word. What is the first letter? P. It is a consonant. Sound of P is P. It is a consonant. So a park. We played in a park near my house. I hope you all understood these 4 lines. Let's go to the next line. I see dash on the windowsill. What is this? This is a parrot. Parrot. What is the starting letter of parrot? P. What is the sound of P? P. P. P is a consonant. So I see a parrot on the windowsill. I see a parrot on the windowsill. There is dash on the floor. What is this? This is a bag. So there is dash on the floor, bag. In bag, the starting letter is B. What is the sound of B? B. B. B is a consonant sound. So there is a bag on the floor. A bag or school bag. It's your wish. Both are correct. Okay, you can write school bag or bag alone. Both are correct. The starting letter of both the words are consonant only. S is also consonant, B is also consonant. If you write school bag also, the article will be a. If you write bag also, the article will be a only. Okay, there is a school bag on the floor, or there is a bag on the floor. Rita has dash in her bag. What is this? This is an umbrella. What is this? This is an umbrella. In umbrella, what is the starting letter? U. What is the sound of U in this word? Uh, uh. So, in this umbrella, the starting letter is a vowel. So, we write as an umbrella. Rita has an umbrella in her bag. Next sentence. I saw dash sitting on branch of the tree. What is this? What is sitting on the tree? Owl. So owl, what is the first letter of owl? O. O. So owl, the first letter is O. It's a vowel sound. So we'll write as an owl. Okay, an owl. I saw an owl sitting on a branch of the tree. I hope you all understood all these sentences. Yes? Very good. Kindly practice all the sentences at home and complete your companion activity. Now let's go for a recap from the beginning. Okay. This is a lesson, a curve of colors. Our poem name is The Rainbow. What is our poem name? The Rainbow. It was written by Christina Rossetti. Since it is the last part of this lesson, we are going to recap from the beginning till the end. That is from the poem till articles. Okay. The Rainbow is a poem written by Christina Rossetti. Let's start reading the poem on time. Then we'll go to the next slide. Boats sail on the river. Boats sail on the river. What is the synonym of sail? Travel by boat or ship on or across a sea. Sail means what? Travel by boat or ship on or across a sea. And ships sail on the seas. What is the difference between boats and ships? Boats are the vehicle which are used in the river. Okay, river is a small water body comparing to the sea and ocean. Okay, in river we use boat, but ships are more bigger. Okay, ship will be bigger than the boats, so ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky, clouds you know already where it will sail across the river, are prettier than this. Which is prettier? Clouds are prettier than the boat and the ship. So are prettier than this. There are bridges on the river. What are on the river? Bridges. What do you mean by bridges? Bridges means a structure across a river or road that provides a path. Okay, bridges are the structure which provides a path. As pretty as you please. Bridges are also pretty only. But the bow that bridges heaven, rainbow is the bow that bridges the heaven and overtops the tree. The rainbow overtops means very high. Okay, high above the tree, and builds a road from earth to sky. The rainbow builds a road from earth to sky is prettier for than this. Above all, boat, ship, cloud, bridges, above all the four, which is prettier? Rainbow is more prettier, so beautiful than everything. That is the meaning of this poem. I hope you all understood and you all can read easily. What is the synonym of overtops? Overtops means rises over the top of something. All the three synonyms are very important for your exam. Okay. Nature is all around us. The sky, cloud, tree, not only sky, cloud, tree, mountain, river, ocean, everything is a feature of nature. Everything are features of nature. A rainbow is also one such feature of nature. How was the rainbow? It is beautiful and colorful. I hope you all understood the recap also. Am I right? Try to read the poem. Okay. Next we have seen the singular and plural. Singular, car is a singular, cars is the plural. Same way, pencil, pencils, tree, trees, desk, desks, pot, pots, mask, masks, flower, flowers, leg, legs. These are the singular and plural of naming words. Naming words are otherwise called as nouns. Plural rules. What are all the rules of plural? Most times you just add yes. Most of the time you add yes to make the plural nouns. If a singular noun ends with y, if you want to make it as plural noun, you have to drop the y and add ie. Yes, it is the second rule. This is the second rule to form the plural nouns. So if a noun ends with y, drop the y. Drop means remove y and add ie. Yes, this is the second rule. The third rule is if a noun ends in ch, s, sh, x or z, add es. Only for z we have a special rule. We have to add one more z, then only we have to add es. The fourth rule is ends in f or fe. If a singular noun ends in f or fe, to make it as plural noun we should drop the f or fe we have to remove. We have to remove f or fe, then we have to add ves. So here we have to remove y and add ies. For f and fe ending nouns we have to remove f or fe and add ves. F or FE we have to remove and add VE. Yes, these are the four rules. Then we have seen the articles. As you know already, an article is a word that comes before a singular noun. So noun is a naming word. Already you know two articles, an and a. Already I gave you a recap also. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and B, C, D remaining 21 letters are in alphabet or consonants. So within this I'm going to end this session. Thank you so much. I hope you all understood. Kindly recall everything, practice well at home, make your own sentences, do mistakes, no issues, do mistakes and learn from the mistakes. If you are writing a wrong sentence also, no issues, you have tried, no, that effort is important. Okay, if you are writing wrong sentence also, don't worry, don't hesitate. Day by day you can improve yourself by practicing. Okay children, let's meet in the next session. Take care. Bye bye.